In this lecture, you will learn a second way, which is a much cleaner way to handle error responses. Instead of handling the error response inside then here, we can handle it using a catch block. So comment this out, and after then dot catch is a function that we can invoke, and this catch takes a function parameter that can handle the response. So define an arrow function. Error is the parameter. Arrow followed by the body of the arrow function, which can simply be console.log of error. So here we have commented out the error handling inside then. Remove this comma as well. Then we have used dot after the then finishes. Catch. Catch takes a function. So we have created an arrow function, and the parameter to it is the error that comes back from reject. And we are doing a console.log of that error. Go to the browser, refresh, and we should see working asynchronously and the error still being handled.